Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Just for Men Original Formula Men's Hair Color, Medium Brown, pack of 3. And this is a great price. It comes within a couple of few days, and it's very well packaged. What more can you ask for? It washes well, wears well, and never looks like anything but hair you grew yourself in the color guide put up there. Also, try applying a little Vaseline around your hairline to keep your skin from staining a bit. This is a great price for a pack of 3. It's easy to apply and gives natural looking results. The solution that came out of the applicator bottle was very light brown in color. The new formula had more of a generic men's cologne smell to it, not too strong though. Be careful. Not sure why it doesn't stop when it reaches desired color, so have a timer ready and rinse it, or end up a black beard. If you have a lot of gray hair, you really need to go lighter instead of trying to capture the hair color of your youth. You can always try the darker color the next time, but it seems the dark shades look better on someone under 40. Get the 3-pack deal. No more standing in line at the drugstore, and you save about 40. Brad in California. This product does not and last every bit as long, and doesn't take any time at all. It colors the gray nicely, and if you get a lighter color it makes your hair look like it has highlights rather than colored. Now the dye solution is thick and not runny, so it's not really a stain hazard at all. There is not one bad thing to point out, and therefore is perfect in every way discernible to the discriminating consumer. It's easy, and even if you leave it on long, or it gets on your skin, no need for harsh chemical removers. Got this, and they are products that have been sitting on its shelf. Half of them don't mix, and the other half dried up. Be very careful, and it dyes your skin too if you leave it too long, more than 5 minutes maybe. Seems to do a really great job of covering all the gray, and is easy to apply, and lasts a long time. But be warned, don't think you can leave it in your hair for more than 5 minutes. It's very natural looking, leaving a hint of gray to allow the variety of colors in hair. Why? The product turns your gray hairs to the natural color while leaving the others alone. Once you put it on your hair, and you get dark brown hair, with red highlights, you are stuck with it until it grows out. It is made up of cloth. That makes it easier and safe to wash it on regular basis. Follow the instructions on how to apply so all hairs are covered. It's not difficult or rocket science. It is as easy as a thorough shampoo, letting it sit for a few minutes, and then rinsing. What's going on with this one color? Price has more than doubled on Sandy Blonde 10. What happened to other 2? It is a miracle. It never happened to me before. You often have to leave it on a little shorter time than the directions say in order to keep your hair from being too dark. Watch the skin around your sideburns. It can stain easily, and leave you looking a little funny. This is a great color, and a great price. It has great coverage of the gray. Mix the 2 bottles together, put on the included gloves, and shampoo it into your hair. The solution is clear, and doesn't really change color until it's been sitting on the surface for a bit. So, if you're putting it on in front of the mirror, you may not realize that you are splashing on the floors and the counter until it's too late. Wish it came with a little more color. Other than that, it works for the men in our family. When the package arrived, it was the original formula version of this hair dye, which is available everywhere. Make sure to cover any nearby items, as this dye is fast and very hard to remove from objects. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.